Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford F250 hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side near the kick panel. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the primary latch releases. Then, walk to the front of your truck, ready for the next step in opening the hood safely and efficiently. Now that the primary latch is released, you'll need to find the secondary safety latch. Reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right above the grille. You'll feel a small lever or tab. Depending on your model, you might need to push it to one side or pull it upwards. This action will fully disengage the hood's locking mechanism. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood upwards. It might be a bit heavy, so use both hands if needed. Once it's open, look for the prop rod, usually located along the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Take the prop rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood to keep it securely open. To close the hood, first carefully remove the prop rod from its support and clip it back into place. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 6 inches from fully closing. Avoid dropping it from too high. Finally, press down firmly on the center of the hood until you hear it click securely into place. Before you head off, remember to check the description below for some fantastic deals, including a link to that Owala water bottle to help you stay hydrated. We often update it with new offers, so it's always worth a look. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.